Hello everyone, let's dive into the SAMA 3509 ATX Mid Tower case. This case aims to strike a balance between aesthetics, functionality, and affordability, and it does a pretty good job. First impressions are positive, especially with the steel mesh front panel. It not only looks good, but also promises decent airflow. The hinged tempered glass side panel is a standout feature. The magnetic suction design makes opening and closing the case a breeze, which is super convenient for quick access to components. Inside, the SAMA 3509 offers a good amount of space. It supports ATX, MATX, IDX, and even EATX motherboards, providing flexibility for different build types. There's also support for vertical graphics card mounting, with a maximum length of 345 millimeters. Cable management is crucial, and this case doesn't disappoint. There's ample room to route cables, helping to keep the build clean and organized. For cooling, it can accommodate up to 8 120mm fans or 5 140mm fans. Liquid cooling enthusiasts will appreciate the support for up to a 360mm radiator at the front, with backward compatibility for smaller sizes. The inclusion of 4 pre-installed ARGB fans is a nice touch, adding some visual flair right out of the box. The top-mounted I/O panel features 2 USB 3.0 ports, which is always welcome for fast data transfer. The case also includes a portable storage device rack to meet storage requirements. The SAMA 3509 measures 380mm x 205mm x 425mm, a standard mid-tower size that should fit comfortably in most setups. The top-mounted power supply is a bit of an older design choice, but it doesn't detract too much from the overall package. Overall, the SAMA 3509 is a solid option for those looking for a budget-friendly case with a good feature set. The hinged tempered glass, ample fan support, and included ARGB fans make it a compelling choice for both new and experienced builders.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.